Welcome to the forefront of medicine, where science is not just treating symptoms, but fundamentally rewriting the code of disease. The pharmaceutical world is in the middle of a revolution, a seismic shift away from traditional pills towards a powerful new arsenal of therapies. This isn't a distant future, it's happening right now and it's changing everything. For decades, the industry relied on small molecule drugs, but today, the most exciting breakthroughs, especially in areas like oncology, rare genetic disorders, and neurology, are coming from what we call new modalities. These advanced therapies now dominate the research pipeline because they can do what conventional drugs can't: target the very root cause of diseases that were once considered untreatable. Think of conditions like Alzheimer's, or the thousands of rare genetic diseases without a cure. These new tools are our best hope. So, what are these revolutionary tools? Let's break down the key players. First, we have oligonucleotides, often called gene silencers. These molecules, like ASOs and siRNAs, can intercept and switch off faulty genetic messages before they cause harm. Initially used for rare diseases, they're now being developed for widespread conditions affecting the heart and brain. Next up is gene therapy, the ultimate what-I'm fix. By delivering a correct copy of a gene into a patient's cells, it aims to permanently correct genetic disorders. Well, we've seen incredible success in rare diseases. The next great challenge is scaling this technology to treat more common conditions safely and affordably. Then there are antibody-drug conjugates, or ADCs, which I like to call smart missiles. They combine the precise targeting of an antibody with a potent drug payload, delivering it directly to cancer cells while sparing healthy tissue. The next generation of ADCs is becoming even smarter and more powerful. We also have protein degraders, a truly game-changing approach. Most diseases are caused by problem proteins, but many of them were considered undruggable. Degraders don't just block these proteins, they tag them for complete destruction by the cell's natural disposal system, opening up a vast new territory for drug discovery. Finally, multispecifics act like molecular bridge builders. These engineered proteins can perform multiple tasks at once, like grabbing a cancer cell with one arm and an immune cell with the other, forcing a confrontation. Their design is becoming incredibly sophisticated, enabling complex, multi-pronged attacks on disease. But harnessing this power isn't easy. These are not simple chemicals mixed in a lab. They are complex biological products. Manufacturing a gene therapy or a personalized cell therapy is a huge logistical and scientific challenge. The supply chain itself becomes part of the treatment. Regulators and doctors are also navigating a new world. How do you design a clinical trial for what-I'm potentially curative therapy? How do healthcare systems pay for a treatment that costs a fortune upfront, but could save a lifetime of medical expenses? These are the hurdles we must overcome. Companies are pioneering new payment models, like paying based on patient outcomes, to make these therapies accessible. Looking ahead, the innovation is only accelerating. Scientists are working on in vivo cell reprogramming to repair damaged organs from within, and using gene editing tools like CRISPR to make precise corrections to our DNA. The companies that will lead this new era of medicine are the ones building agile R&D teams that can pick the right tool for any biological target. They are mastering collaboration, partnering with nimble biotechs, and making strategic acquisitions to gain access to foundational technologies. They are investing today in the manufacturing and data systems of tomorrow. This transition to new modalities is the most significant shift in medicine in over 50 years. It's redefining what's possible. The leaders who embrace this complexity and invest with vision will not only dominate the market, but will shape the future of health for all of us. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this journey into the future of medicine as exciting as I do, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. See you next time.